Have you ever been in the middle of something important and accidentally closed the wrong tab on Microsoft Edge? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore closed tabs on Microsoft Edge in a few simple ways, so you can get right back to what you were doing without any stress. Let's get started. The first and fastest method is using keyboard shortcuts, the quickest way to bring back a recently closed tab. If you're on Windows, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus T. And if you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus T. Every time you use this shortcut, Edge will reopen the most recently closed tab. And if you press it multiple times, it'll restore tabs in the exact order you close them. It's a real time saver when you accidentally close a few tabs and need them back instantly. Now, if you want to restore a tab from an earlier session, maybe something you closed a while ago, you can do that using your browsing history. On Windows, press Ctrl plus H, and on Mac, press Command plus Y. This opens your full history page where you'll see a list of all your recent browsing activity. Look for the section labeled Recently Closed. From here, just click on any page or window you'd like to reopen and it'll pop right back up like nothing happened. And for those who prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, there's one more super handy option. The Tab context menu. Simply right-click on any open tab or in an empty space on the tab bar. You'll see a list of options. Select Reopen Closed Tab. Edge will immediately bring back your last closed tab. It's perfect when you just closed something by mistake and want to fix it in one click. So, whether you love keyboard shortcuts, prefer browsing through history, or just want to right-click your way back, Microsoft Edge gives you multiple ways to restore closed tabs quickly and easily. Next time a tab disappears, don't panic. Just use one of these tricks and get back on track within seconds. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.